In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious orange cranberry muffins recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoyed this video. For this recipe, you will need 1.5 cups of flour, half a cup of sugar, half a cup of milk, 1 cup of dried cranberries, 3 tablespoons of orange juice, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of orange zest, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 egg, and 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. In a bowl, we're going to add in the flour, salt, and the baking powder and whisk until combined. In a separate bowl, we're going to crack in our egg. Beat the egg until smooth. Add in the sugar and continue to whisk. Add in the vanilla extract and the orange zest. Now add in the orange juice. Add in the vegetable oil and the milk and mix until everything is completely combined. We're slowly going to pour in our wet ingredients into our dry ingredients while mixing. Once our batter is mixed and completely smooth, we're going to add in half of our dried cranberries. We're going to scoop our batter into a muffin pan that is lined with cupcake wrappers. We're going to top off our muffins with some extra dried cranberries. Bake this in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Let them cool completely. Our orange cranberry muffins are complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.